Hello.
Hello!
Hi, my name is Lisa. I wanted to follow up on the benefit card. We recently mailed you about the new state-regulated plan that helps with final medical expenses in the final expense plan for all United States residents. Have you received it?
No!
Well, according to the new Cash Borrow update, you can actually get early access to up to 90% of the cash value. These plans are meant for those on fixed or Social Security income, and most people on Social Security or disability do qualify. Your age plays a factor in maximizing your benefits, so may I know, how old are you?
I'm 75!
Based on your age, it sounds like this is something a licensed specialist would need to check properly. Let me bring them on the line. Just stay with me.
Hello, thanks for holding on the line. My name is Daniel. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm reaching out because we pulled up your Medicare profile, and there's a note here showing your 2026 plan update hasn't been confirmed yet. We just need a quick confirmation from you so your coverage doesn't get interrupted. Just confirm for me. Do you have both Part A and Part B?
Yes!
All right, I'm quickly connecting you to the benefit agent who will review your updated benefits with you. Just a moment.
Thank you so much for holding on the line. My name is Kevin. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Fuck you.
Did you say fuck you? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, thank you so much for taking this call. My name is Christopher. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
Wonderful. I'm fine. Thank you so much for asking. Actually, I'm calling you about home renovation services. So maybe not right now, maybe in the future, if you want to renovate your house, what would be your next project, like roofing, flooring, kitchen remodeling, or bathroom remodeling, or something like that?
My next project is I keep this dry well in my basement, and the dry well is made out of field stone held together by mortar, and at the bottom of the dry well, hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes!
Well, the reason of my call, sir, you might be qualified for additional healthcare benefit at no cost to you. I believe you don't have Medicare, right, sir?
No! They don't give old man Robert Grinnell anything for free! Hello? Hello?
Good afternoon, Robert. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing great, sir. Thanks for checking me out. My name is Dustin with the Health Advisors and Recorded Line. I'm reaching out because there are programs available that provide thousands of dollars in help with everyday expenses for qualified individuals like yourself. And this help available for things like groceries, utilities, healthcare expenses, prescription, medication. Most people don't even realize what programs are available to them. And I know you sound young, but I do have to ask, are you under the age of 65 or over?
I'm under.
And do you have Medicare Parts A and B?
I don't have Medicare Part A. I don't have Medicare Part B. They don't give old man Robert Grinnell anything for free.
And you're not currently on Medicaid, right?
No.
And do you have insurance coverage to an employer, union, VA, or TRICA?
I have Blue Cross Blue Shield through the marketplace.
You're still living in the state of Michigan with the zip code 48126, correct?
Yes, Michigan, the murder mitten. Hello? Hello? Please like and subscribe. Thank you.